How to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call not showing on display on Android phone. First, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here click WhatsApp, and first click this one here. Wait, where is it? Power usage here, this one, click on it, and then click here, click launch settings, and disable manage automatically, and then enable run in background, and then click OK. And go to storage, and then clear cache, and go to permissions and enable all of those here. Now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.